Girl, I thought protective styling meant that I could put my hair in braids, leave it alone for months, and be good too. But no, if you want your natural hair to grow, then you cannot neglect it. So let's take care of this hair. Let's refresh it. My name is Adacia, and I'm going to show you how to go from this to this. First things first, you do want to make sure you are shampooing your hair. So I hop in the shower and I am shampooing my roots first, and then I wet my entire hair or braids, and then I just start to shampoo down the length of my hair. Also, just being very careful to focus on my roots. Use any shampoo that is going to get rid of any product buildup. It's your choice. If you want to see growth, shampoo your hair every 7 to 10 days or every 2 weeks. What's the number one thing that's going to help your hair grow? Hydration, water. This is a given, but you should definitely be drinking enough water daily. Dehydration can cause drying of the hair shaft and scalp, which causes split ends and breakage hinders your hair growth. Alright, once we are done shampooing, I rinse that out and then I squeeze the excess water out, get my favorite t-shirt and dry, finish my shower routine, and let's get to refreshing these braids. First thing first is I'm going to get a leave-in conditioner and I'm going to spray that on my roots. I love the leave-in conditioner spray for the roots. You definitely don't have to apply any oil, but if you do want to apply oil, apply a lightweight oil. And then I will grab my cream leave-in conditioner and I will apply that down the length of my hair. This is very important. Your hair in the braids needs the most moisture. So after that, I will apply a mousse to further just define my curls and get rid of any flyaways. Then you want to get a wide tooth comb and just comb through your curls very gently. If you see any tangles, go in with each individual braid and try to detangle. If you feel like you cannot detangle the curl, then just cut it. Honestly, it's not going to hurt. Or just cut the tangle out. Be very careful with combing the ends of the hair as well. Then I just like to go over everything with this moisturizing spray, and then I just lightly blow dry my hair on a cool setting. Then we're going to define the parts. So I get some shining gel, separate my baby hairs, and just go over the braids, each part, and try to redefine it as best as I possibly can. And then I'll also get some Got2b gel in the black tube, but you'll see that in just a second, and I'll also go over that to just further define each part. Now, you probably didn't know this, but synthetic braiding hair comes coated in chemicals. Now, this chemical strips the hair of its natural moisture, which can cause an itchy scalp, dryness, and eventually lead to brittle and dry hair if it's not combated with a moisturizing routine. So if you really want your natural hair to grow while you are protecting it in braids, then I definitely recommend to get a hair care regimen. Don't neglect your braids, moisturize them day and night, and make sure you are washing your hair every 2 weeks, 3 weeks if you're pushing it. And here are my results. As you guys can see, my hair is refreshed, and I'm going to show you guys my baby hairs and roots. Now the roots still kind of look puffy, but you can apply more gel if you need to. I'm not going to. It's good enough for me. And there you have it. If you're able to keep your hair moisturized while wearing braids, then you should be fine. You should be good to go. Avoid product buildup by washing your hair, and product buildup can also hinder hair growth as well. And not moisturizing your hair can cause breakage, which will hinder hair growth. All right, now that my hair is refreshed, like my hair can last another good 2-3 more weeks before I have to wash it. But you should be washing your hair every 7 to 10 days if you really want to see hair growth. Okay, so nighttime routine. I'm just going to briefly go over what I do for the nighttime. Okay, so it's very simple, very easy. I use this moisturizing cocoa water, you should be spraying your braids twice a day. So morning and night. Just lightly spritz some moisturizing water on your braids. At night, wrap it up. You should be wrapping your hair up every night, okay? So spray this on there, wrap it up, go to bed. You're good to go. You have got to keep your hair moisturized while it is in braids, and hopefully I explained that thoroughly throughout the video. Now, morning time, same thing. Spritz your hair with this moisturizing water. I know that there are different brands that have moisturizing water, and I'll probably list that somewhere on the screen so you guys can see. But this one so far is my favorite. It has Jamaican black castor oil and coconut oil in it, so I like it. And then I like to apply mousse. This one is my favorite. I don't have to apply this every morning, but I only apply my mousse in the morning. You can apply it at night, it's up to you, but I just like to apply it in the morning. It looks refreshed in the morning when I apply it. If I apply it at night, I do notice that when I tie it up, my hair is kind of like mushed and it molds into a certain shape. So that's why I recommend doing it in the morning time. Yeah, apply the mousse in the morning time. You don't have to do it every day, maybe every other day, every 2-3 days. I don't have to do it every day, okay? Take care of the hair in your braids. That is how it is going to grow. Now, I know a lot of people get braids because they just want to leave their hair alone, but if you actually want your hair to grow in braids, then you have to do the complete opposite. You can't neglect your hair. And I literally almost forgot. Leave-in conditioner. Make sure you are applying leave-in conditioner to the length of your hair. Apply it to the length of your hair. I also showed you guys that I do have a spray-in leave-in conditioner that you can spray in your roots. You do not necessarily need to oil your scalp every single day, okay? You need to pay attention to the length of your hair, the actual hair that is tucked away in braids. That's the most important. Your scalp is good as long as you cleanse it and condition it. But yeah, so apply leave-in conditioner. Now, I apply the leave-in conditioner like every other day or every day. Okay, because you definitely just want to keep your hair moisturized. I do apply the leave-in conditioner at night. Okay, so include it in the nighttime routine. Apply a moisturizing spray and your leave-in conditioner. And stay tuned because I will be showing you guys how I take down these braids and also prevent breakage. Now, our hair does shed, but you should not be having like clumps of hair coming out of your hair, okay? But that is it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching, tuning in, and watching another video with me. If you want to see how I did these braids, I will link it up above, and I'll also link it down in the description box below. But as always, don't forget to give God the glory. We would not be where we are today without God. So give him the glory, and I will see you guys in the next video.